In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix any RunDLL error messages on your Windows 11 computer. So in order to fix this error, we need to head over to our start menu and search for CMD, and then you're going to right click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. Now the first thing you need to do is type in DISM /online// cleanup-image / restore health, and then go ahead and press enter. Now you'll need to wait for this process to get to 100% while it checks for any corrupted files on your system. Once you've completed the scan, you then need to type in the second command, which is sfc /scan now, and hit enter. Now this is a similar type of scan to before. It's just going to check your system for any corrupted or damaged files. Once again, you'll need to wait for this scan to get to 100%. You can now check to see if that's solved the issue. If it's still not working, what you'll need to do is head over to your start menu, search for settings, and click on the settings window. From the left hand side, click on Windows Update and then press the Check for Updates button. If there are any updates found for your system, then you'll need to install these now. If it's still not working, the next solution is to head over to an internet browser. In the search box, you need to type in autoruns v14 and hit enter. That should take you over to the official Microsoft website, and we just need to click on it like so. Then you need to scroll down and click on Download Autoruns. Select where you want to save this file. I'm just going to save it in my downloads and hit save. Now head over to your downloads folder on your computer. Extract the zip file that we just downloaded by right clicking and selecting Extract All. Click Extract. Once you've extracted your files, double click on autoruns64.exe. Click on Options in the top navigation. Then we want to uncheck Hide Windows Entries, and also make sure Hide Microsoft Entries is unchecked. In the search box, type in RunDLL. If you find any entries here relating to RunDLL, then you just need to select them and delete it. Now I've already deleted mine, but I'll just show you what this looks like for a random service. So all you would need to do is right click on the RunDLL file and select delete. Once you've done that, that will have fixed any RunDLL error messages. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.